Hey, today I'm drawing a one-eyed Japanese monster Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So a little backstory on this character. This is actually a vinyl toy that is on the cover of a book I have called So Crazy Japanese Toys. And so when you look it up in the back, its name is actually BELZOR, and it's from a Japanese TV series called Space Giants from 1966. So what I did was, it's a pretty cool creature, so I thought let's redo it in my style. So I drew it up in how I thought would look kind of cool, and it looks a little different. I mean, it still has the three trumpets on top and has the one eye and has the claws, but mine's more I guess cylindrical looking. But took my time with this one. This is one that is a little bit past the doodle stage, but put in a lot of scales, put in a little detail to make them stand out a little bit more. Got my three clawed fingers. I had to redo the one on the left a little bit, but this one I got fancy. Put some layers down, put some yellow paint, some bright green on top of that. Starting to see the blending, the purple eye. Had issues getting the backdrop to work out because I had layers of stuff and was trying to erase, but in the end I got it to work out. So that's it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks.